Hello, my beautiful friends. Happy Sunday. So I didn't do a rune pull. I did do rune pulls today and yesterday, but I didn't post them because I ran out of time because I was busy both days. So I will be back tomorrow for a rune pull for tomorrow. But I did spend today magical crafting, which was awesome. So I want to show you some stuff. There's some stuff that's not pictured here that's downstairs yet. That's not part of the Simply Earth package, which is what I'm going to talk about. We made fire starters out of herbs, some old herbs that were sitting around, and newer herbs. They're just fire starters, but they're super pretty. And I made elderberry honey, so that's going to set now for 4 weeks. And I think that's everything that I did that wasn't Simply Earth related. So, here is what I made from Simply Earth. So, Simply Earth is our subscription box. I will put a link below. I do try a lot of different boxes, and I've tried a few oil boxes, and I have to say that the one that I like the most so far from the oil box kind of thing is I really do like Simply Earth the most. And because of where I am, I'm not really a gardener. I know, probably gonna take away like I don't know, my Scottish Heritage card, but I'm not really a gardener because I have such a fluid schedule that it's really hard for me to focus on gardening. And I don't enjoy it. I enjoy going to gardens. I enjoy buying things that people grow in their garden, but I'm not arts and craftsy. I'm not really a gardener. I'm gonna try this year, but pretty much everything I try to grow dies, and my friend says it's because I keep putting my kayak on top of my garden. That's probably true. So I like to use herbs that are already grown. And I try to buy them locally and get them locally sourced. I try to get my honey locally sourced. Um, so, but Simply Earth is a subscription box. They give you these recipe cards that are super cute, and they give you the stickers, they give you the bottles, they give you every single thing that you need for most recipes. Sometimes you might have to have your own like little bottle or roll on or something like that, or a certain kind of like rubbing alcohol stuff that they can't send in the mail. So sometimes you have to have some things at home, but it'll tell you on the card, and it walks you through each of the steps for making things. So we'll start. I made a bracelet. I had ordered this. This didn't come in a monthly box. I had ordered this separately, but it's a diffuser bracelet. You can see it's here, and I had enough to make two. So you put oil on these, and then you can have it smell good around you. So that is a worn one. So I'm not going to go in the order we made them because I can't actually remember how we made them. But these we had jars of our own. These are yogurt jars, and then you buy the lids on Amazon. And this is Sweet Dreams Natural Lotion. And so that's what it looks like inside. And it's a lotion. So it smells so good. And their oils, like, you know, there are oils and then there are oils, and their oils have like a ranking depending on how naturally they are and how they're produced and how they're gathered and stuff. And Simply Earth uses the really high quality oils, so you don't have to be afraid that you're putting junk on. And I love that they tell you if they're going to be harmful to animals, because I have 3 cats and I have a 70-year-old turtle that I pick up and put her in. She gets a jacuzzi tub bath. That's how she's 70, because she lives the high life. But this smells so good, and I don't remember what's all in it, but it's so good. It smells so good, and it's so creamy and everything. And like I said, I'm not an arts and crafts person, so if I can do all this, mostly you use a double boiler, and then we did have to get a blender out for some things. I think this is one of the things you had to have a blender for. So and my buddy Nav and I did this together, and she knows how to use a blender. Not a blender. What is it called? The thing with the cake thing where you make cakes with. Is it a blender? Yeah, I guess it's a blender. No, it's not a blender. The thing you put. I don't know. The thing with the thing you make with cakes. A mixer. A mixer. That's what it's called. It's called a mixer. So I don't own a double boiler, but Nav does. So she brought her double boiler over. I usually just use a pot, and then I use a Pyrex thing to melt the wax. Like, I'm so so not fancy. But that's super, super smelly good. And then the other one that we make that was similar is called Luscious Lavender Body Polish. Now, I don't know if you're new to the channel, I'm not the kind of girl who polishes her body, but this stuff smells so good too, and it's like a scrub, really like a sugar scrub, and it's like, it smells so good. All of these things just smell so delightful. And this is for exfoliating skin. So perhaps tomorrow I will look 29. I know, I like it. And I like the little jars. These are yogurt jars. This is, there's two different kind of yogurt jars here that Nav brought. This one is called Nounce. I mean, it's pricey. And I can't remember the name of this one. But they're glass yogurt jars, and then these lids come from Amazon. So they're pretty, and then they can be repurposed, and they can be upcycled. So you get a delicious treat, and then you have jars galore to build stuff in. All right, the next thing that we made, and I have these in, I reuse these. These are bags, and these are from, I got these bags from Temu. And this is a soap, and it's a swirled heart soap. So this is from the February box, Valentine's Day, you know, so it's pink, and you could swirl, and not arts and craftsy. So it's more like striped soap, but it's super cute, and it smells delightful. Again, everything smells good. There's nothing in here that I would be like, I wouldn't use it. Then there was, oh, I'm knocking stuff over. Fresh floral body milk. So this is, we put it in a spray container. You could put it in a jar if you wanted to. This didn't come with something to put it in. I don't, or maybe this bottle did come with it. I'm not sure. But you can spray it on, and it looks like milk, and we used it on some rough elbows, and it, you know, kind of smooths them out. So that's cool. And then these are Clarifying Honey Solid Lotion Bars. Now I have mine, and I have Nav's because she does not like lotion bars. So she made hers. Hers actually came out prettier than mine because she is arts and craftsy. But they are very lotion-like, so they're very slippery to hold. But I think they smell really good. So I love the scents that are in them. I might do the scents, but maybe in bath salts instead. And you know, you just change the recipe. You use the same amount of oils, but you use a different base. So for that, you would use Epsom salt. The one thing that we made that smells terrific, and I plan to use it, is a cleansing sugar scrub bar. It does not retain the shape, so it ended up just being like, you know, like bath salts, which is okay because, you know, I'm an old lady. I don't care if it's heart-shaped or not. It smelled terrific, but it didn't retain the shape of the mold. I don't know if we did something wrong, but neither mine nor Nav's worked. And then we made, I made some of the things that Nav had already made them before she had come over. So this is a bold roll-on. I have no idea. I mean, I'm pretty bold as it is. I don't really need a roll-on, but it does smell really good. It smells super, super good. So this is, I guess, if you need courage, put that sucker on. And then this one is Love Massage Oil. I mean, I'm gonna go find me a fella to put this on. Any takers? And this is At Peace Roll-On. I'm much more likely to use this one, to be honest. Oh, God, it smells so good. It smells so good. And that's what's in here. So you make these, and they're really not hard at all. And then I made an inhaler, which is there's a cotton swab in here, and you put oils on it. And I made a love one. It's lavender and an oil that Simply Earth makes called Peace and Quiet, which I love Peace and Quiet. So that's everything, which doesn't seem like a lot, but it is a lot. It was an entire day, plus the fire starters, plus the elderberry honey. So it was just a really great day of magical crafting, and it was just a nice, it was a great time with my friend. We listened to John Cougar Mellencamp. We ate, dip and crackers while we were cooking, and it was just a really great way to spend a Sunday afternoon. So if you have the opportunity to do something for yourself that's enriching and fun and brings meaning to your life, I absolutely encourage it, because we all need things that bring us joy and comfort. And I love love. If I'm guilty of anything, it's probably that I love too much. So a whole box full of stuff devoted to love. I'm all about it. So I am wishing you all the very best in light and love. Have an amazing day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.